There's a brand new plane in our neighborhood. It's out at Midwest Sky Sports and it's really looking good. I had to go and see it, so I called up on the phone. I drove out to the airport and this was going on. The Cessna was in shambles, the avionics fried. A pilot by the gas tanks, fueling up to fly. The piper in the hangar, what the problem was, who knows? I was in the cockpit feeling excitement overload. We were slinging, yes we were slinging. That sink two is a sipping on a low lead from the tank. I can't believe I'm out here at the airport in a sling, just a slinging. We were slinging, slinging. Yes, we were slinging, slinging. That sink two is a sipping on the low lead from the tank. I can't believe I'm out here at the airport in a sling, just a slinging, slinging. That Rotax, it's amazing. It's the apple of my eye. Garmin avionics help me fly across the sky. Sing true, it's my true love, and it has been since the spring. I can't believe it started at the airport in a sling. We were slinging, slinging. Yes, we were slinging, slinging. That sing two is a sipping on low lead from the tank. I can't believe I'm up here at the airport in a sling, just a slinging. That sling two is a sipping on the low lead from the tank. I can't believe I'm up here at the airport in a sling, just a slinging.